Hello and welcome to Where Are We Going? Today I'm here with Mary again from Fred's RV. As you know her from my previous Renegade Vienna video. So today she's here to give us a tour of the ROADTREK Zion, beautiful Class B motorhome. So let's start the tour.
Hi, I'm Mary from Fred's RV, and I'm here today to talk about the ROADTREK Zion Slumber. So this one actually has the Slumber model with the tent top, so we'll get to that later. But the Zion comes either with or without the tent top. So when it has that top, it's called the Slumber, and you can sleep 2 people up there. But this is beautifully equipped. This is with the blue accent. They do have a few new accents this year for 2024. And 2024, by the way, happens to be ROADTREK's 50th anniversary, so we're celebrating that with them. ROADTREK has a distinctive design of this step. When you go to get into the door, either the driver's door, the passenger door, you open the door and the step comes out, giving you a wide step to put your foot on, which is great for getting in and out of this on this side and the camp side. This is on the RAM chassis 2500. This is beautifully equipped. It has all the safety features. Not every feature may be included in every RAM chassis, so you want to check that. But this one does have the blind spot, the cruise control. It does have the lane keeping and the blind spot monitoring. We do also have our fuel door here, which is nice. This is a gas chassis. And coming around here, we do have the dumping station. So when you got to get rid of the business in the black tank and the gray tank, ROADTREK is the only B van that includes a macerator. So this is a macerator. You just take that, put that in the dump, and push the button to get rid of all your waste. They also do provide you a 3-inch traditional dump too, just in case you're not the kind of guy that wants to use a macerator. And then this does come along with the Truma heat, and the AquaGo hot water heater is in here too, the tankless hot water heater. So beautifully equipped on this Slumber, the Zion Slumber. Also an outside shower. So you have hot and cold running water here in this outside shower, and great for washing yourself or the kids when you come back from the beach before you go inside. The doors are a nice 360 doors, so they're going to come all the way around, giving you plenty of room to get in and out of the back here. This is where you're going to store your table, which is a great place to store the table. And then we do have full screens in the back here that will roll down. This is nicely equipped with that table right there, the Lagoon table, which you can mount in this position or in the position up front. And this is giving you 3 seat belts here in this side-facing sofa. So you have lots of transportation options. So you can sleep 4 people in here comfortably. You could actually do 5 if you use the cab bed also. So that's where you get the 3 seat belts and the 2 up front. Nice little storage compartment back here. They're including the jack for the RAM chassis in there. And you do have beautiful storage all the way through in beautiful cabinetry that ROADTREK builds. They build a nice quality product here. You have drawers all the way through here that go all the way up to the front. So you have 4 drawers on this side and you have 2 on this side. And they're nice quality construction, beautiful drawers. This is the 2 twin beds back here. This sofa is power, will come together. Then you can extend the bed right here, and you can make it 1 king bed if you'd like. So great features there. This door also will swing all the way around, which is a great feature to have. Also back here we do have our 2-inch receiver. This RAM chassis will tow about 3,500 pounds, and you can put about 350 pounds on that hitch. So if you're going to put some bikes or something, you also have your 7 and 4 pin wiring. Your city water connection is back here. And then your 30 amp connection and cable connection is over there on the other side.
So everything is on the back?
Everything is back here.
Very nice. And I really love how open and spacious with the doors wide open, completely out of the way. Like you could pull up to a lake, to a beach, to a river, or against a mountain. This is just
it's beautiful.
So much space.
And then this screen will roll all the way down, so you have plenty of, fresh air can flow through. You have nice sized windows all the way around with big screens, so you can be screened in there, keep the bugs away, but have all those features you like. And
you have also a corner TV over there.
Yep.
And lots of overhead compartments.
Yep.
We'll get into them once we're inside, but beautiful, and many
additional reading lights.
Oh yeah,
along
so
with
many
the LED lights across the roof.
Beautiful, very nice.
And this also, you have your rear view camera up here, so that's what you have up here at the top is your rear view camera for when you're backing up. And then coming around to the side, we do have an LP Quick Connect back here too. And that LP Quick Connect is for your propane. So you do have a propane tank that gets filled right here. And that's where you're going to fill your propane. And then you have your LP Quick Connect back there. So things that use propane on this coach are the Truma AquaGo hot water heater and the heating system. And then you have the LP Quick Connect for like a little barbecue outside. It does have a beautiful awning up here. This does have legs, so you can use the legs or you don't have to, as you can see. It does have wind sensors on here. So if you're using it without the legs, the wind sensors would react if it was a really windy day and draw that awning right back in. And then we can talk about this screen here too. When you roll this screen down, you do have a Velcro enclosure or magnetic enclosure here that you can open the screen and get in and out easily. This Velcro piece down here is to keep your pet inside, so he won't be able to push through the screen and get out if that's the case. And again, we have this nice step to step into the coach. Nice broad step, makes it easy to get in and out. It's not real high off the ground and makes that entry very easy. When we come inside, this one being the Slumber, I'd like to show you the tent top and how easy it is to open this. So we set up our ladder here just to give us a little height to get into the area here. And then we unlatch it. There's 3 places that it latches, and then you just give it a push up and up it goes. That easy. That was very easy, wasn't it?
Wow.
And look at that.
And there's your second bedroom.
Yep, exactly. So you can sleep 2 up there. If you wanted to come in and take a quick shot up there, if you'd like to. See what we got up there.
And there's a hatch over there for ventilation, so it's not just those zippered windows.
Correct. You got the big hatch up there too, and that hatch will operate also when the tent is closed. So you have that for down here too.
Plenty of space. This is like almost the whole roof of the van.
Yep.
And it's very spacious, and those zippered windows come down on both sides, giving you amazing ventilation throughout the night. So this is an excellent space for kids or adults. And I see there's also some power outlets here and some built-in pockets for your personal belongings. And I see there's another panel window here up front. So you will have a tornado over there if you want to. I see a pizza oven.
Yep.
Overhead storage, plus the shelf storage above the cockpit. And I'll return the mic to you, Mary.
Right. Sounds good. So as we come through the coach, we do have our beautiful countertops here. These are beautiful white countertops with a little metallic speck in them. We do have a nice size sink here that's spacious. We have hot and cold running water here along with the retracting head, so with the spray feature, so that's nice to have. This does also have your countertop extension here, so you can pop up your countertop extension like that, and then to fold it down, it's quick and easy. Just pick up and let it go down. Then we do have some charging ports here. We have an outlet, we have a USB, and a 12-volt charging port. Coming around here, we have a beautiful induction cooktop ability to cook without creating a lot of heat in here, so just your pan is getting hot. And then you do have a nice size microwave up here above your head, not down low, so it's a good place for it to be. Coming through the back here, we have a beautiful size storage compartment here. This is where the leg of that lagoon table will store, but you also can have hanging storage here. There's usually a bar there that you can make this hanging storage, or it can be put some shelves in here. And then back here to that sofa and our TV, we have lots of storage options all through here.
With hinges.
Hinges, yeah.
Very nice. Positive
hinges. All of these have the positive latches, so you just push the button. Now that's not going to open while you're driving. This also includes the shades for the front windows of the RAM chassis up there for nighttime. And then you do have the GE air conditioner here, which is a nice air conditioner. In this unit, you do have 600 amp hours of lithium. And then this does have an under the hood generator. So if your power starts to dip, you just restart the engine, let the engine run for a while. It does not need to be high idle, and that will recharge your lithium batteries to get those charged back up. Or of course driving, or if you're plugged in, then you don't have to worry about any of that.
True.
And then you do have nice storage on this
Very
side
deep
also.
As well.
Yep,
Look, I have to admit, look at my arm. It goes and goes and goes and goes and goes. I can't even reach. That's very nice. Very
all the
spacious.
way to the very back there. So gives you a great amount of storage in there.
And some built-in shelves as well.
Yep.
And yeah, beautiful.
And then over here we do have our sofa controls. So super easy to put the bed down. Just push the button and the bed will come down flat like this. Look at that, super easy to put the bed down nice and flat. And then you'll pull this piece across to extend the bed and then fill in with this cushion. And look at that, you have a nice size king bed here in the Zion Slumber. Sleeping 2 here, 2 in the top, maybe 1 on the cab bed, and you got 5 with seat belts for everybody. And then you do have a nice drawer here for storage, and then you have cabinets down here with shelves.
And I see another AC outlet here.
Yeah.
And 3 shelves and another
3 shelves over there.
Very nice. So much space. For a Class B, that is.
It is huge.
Oh my God, look at that
drawer. So it's great. Put your pots and pans in here. These drawers are so well built. This won't come apart on you. So it's a nicely built drawer. And wait until you see what's in here. Oh. See that pantry?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Class B, and we have a full pantry. That's
yeah, exactly.
Thank you, ROADTRek.
That is right. They do a good job. They've been doing it for a long time, so they know how to do it. This is a nice size 12-volt refrigerator and a nice size freezer also. And what's nice is it's up here. You don't have to duck down to get into it, so it's easily accessible. It's 12-volt, runs off of the lithium power, and that lithium power gets recharged by the sun and by driving and being plugged in. So you're always going to have power to that 12-volt. And these 12-volt refrigerators are wonderful because they're ready to go in about an hour. You have a heating duct, carbon monoxide and liquid propane detector down there, and then this gives you easy access to your water pump for winterizing. So it's right there, easy to access.
And the main question, yes. Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom? Well, that beautiful bathroom is right in here. Even with the ladder up, you can still open the doors and get into the bathroom. Okay. And this is a beautiful wet bath. It does have a black tank, and we talked about that, having that macerator outside to get rid of the waste. So it makes that easy to have a black tank.
With a corner sink.
Beautiful bathroom with a corner sink. And nothing folds up or goes out of the way here. It's all contained right in here. What's nice about this bathroom, you do have a shower curtain that comes across, but see how this is a little bump out down here?
Yes.
So when you're in there, you're going to use this little hook to hook to here, and you're going to leave the doors like this, so you have a little bit of elbow room in the bathroom.
Yeah, you have more space.
Yep. And then when you're not using it, you just close it up, and then it's nice flat out of the way. And
for my viewers, because they always ask, they always say, you show the bathroom so you never go inside. We want to see how big it is.
Well, let's go inside and show how big this bathroom is. So I'm not a little girl, so this is a good sized bathroom for this, or for taking your shower. So you got great room in this bathroom. It's not bad at all.
No, it's not. Very nice.
The last thing I have to talk about in here is the Firefly up here on the above the door. So this is where you're going to control everything in the coach. This gives you full control of everything. You can see your tank levels here. You can turn your water pump on. You can turn on your Truma AquaGo hot water heater. You can access all your lights. You can go right into here. All of these lights that have the little arrows pointing up and down, they're all dimmable. So they may look bright now, but you can dim all those lights. You have your climate control in here, so you can control your heat, your air conditioning, everything right here. And then just your settings screen. But back to our home screen, it tells you right here a snippet of the climate on the front, what you have going on. You can also extend the sofa from here. Your awning you extend and retract right from here. And this is where you turn your batteries on and your inverter. ROADTREK does a beautiful job. Again, 50 years in business. They were the original creators of the B van, so they really know what they're doing. All right, so we do have beautiful windows here. These do open fully here, and then you would pull your screen across like this so you don't get any critters inside. And then also you have a nice shade. This is an insulated shade that's going to keep the heat and the sun out, and that is beautiful there. So that keeps you insulated also.
As you guys can see now, the table is gone, so you have a lot of space, but the table is gone because it's being currently used by Mary up front.
Right, so this gives us a lot of versatility. We can sit in the seat and use it as a laptop counter, or while you're over here working in the kitchen, it can be your countertop extension. So you're washing some dishes, you can put them here to dry. So it gives you lots of versatility using this table. You can raise and lower the height of it. So if it's too high or too low, that is fully adjustable right here in the leg. And as you can see, there's lots of different positions that you can put this table in.
Beautiful. It even extends out a little bit to the outside like a bar.
Right, exactly. You could do that, make it a little lower so it's easier to reach from the ground.
You can start selling tacos.
There you go, you can sell tacos right out of your ROADTREK.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, Mary, for this wonderful tour of the Zion Slumber. For them to get one, they contact you at
Fretz RV in Souderton, Pennsylvania. You can reach us at 215-723-3121. And again, my name is Mary Stevens.
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like, and we'll see you on the next one.